Welcome to Highway Legends, where we dive into the world of automotive excellence. Today, we're excited to take you on an exhilarating journey as we explore the 2025 Mustang RTR, a car that perfectly embodies the spirit of performance and innovation. So fasten your seatbelts as we rev up the engine and get started. The 2025 Mustang RTR is not just a car, it's an experience. With its aggressive design, cutting-edge technology, and heart-pounding performance, this beast is built for those who crave speed and style. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Mustang RTR a must-have for any car enthusiast. First up, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the engine. The 2025 Mustang RTR comes equipped with a powerful 5.0-liter V8 engine that produces an astonishing 480 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring that every gear change is as seamless as possible. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, a 6-speed manual transmission is also available, giving you the thrill of shifting gears yourself. Now, let's get into performance. The Mustang RTR can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars in its class. With a top speed of approximately 155 miles per hour, it's designed for those who live life in the fast lane. The rear-wheel drive setup enhances the driving experience, providing excellent handling and stability, whether you're tearing down the highway or navigating tight corners. Fuel efficiency is often a concern for high-performance vehicles, but the 2025 Mustang RTR manages to strike a balance between power and economy. It boasts an impressive fuel average of around 20 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway. This means you can enjoy the thrill of driving without constantly worrying about stopping for gas. Now, let's talk about the technology and features that make the Mustang RTR stand out from the crowd. The interior is packed with modern technology, including a 12-inch digital instrument cluster that provides all the information you need at a glance. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen display with Ford Sync 4, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and access to your favorite apps. Safety is also a top priority, and the 2025 Mustang RTR comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind on every drive. The Mustang RTR also offers customizable driving modes, allowing drivers to tailor the car's performance to their liking. Whether you want a smooth ride for everyday driving or a more aggressive setup for track days, the Mustang RTR has you covered. The selectable drive modes include normal, sport, and track, adjusting throttle response, steering sensitivity, and traction control settings to match your driving style. Aesthetically, the 2025 Mustang RTR is a head-turner. With its bold lines, aggressive stance, and signature Mustang grille, it captures the essence of American muscle. The RTR package adds unique styling cues, including a distinctive front splitter, side skirts, and a rear spoiler, enhancing both aerodynamics and aesthetics. The car also features a variety of color options and wheel designs, allowing you to personalize your Mustang to match your personality. Moving on to maintenance and reliability, Ford has a solid reputation for building durable vehicles, and the Mustang RTR is no exception. Routine maintenance is straightforward, with regular oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections. The availability of parts and service through Ford's extensive network ensures that keeping your Mustang RTR in top condition is hassle-free. Additionally, the Mustang RTR comes with a standard warranty that covers the vehicle for 3 years or 36,000 miles, giving you peace of mind for your investment. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Mustang RTR offers excellent value for a high-performance sports car. The starting price is around $50,000, which is competitive in its segment. However, with various options and packages available, the price can rise depending on the features you choose. It's important to consider what you value most in a vehicle, whether it's performance, technology, or luxury, and configure your Mustang RTR accordingly. In conclusion, the 2025 Mustang RTR is a remarkable blend of power, technology, and style. With its robust engine performance, impressive speed, and modern features, it caters to those who desire an exhilarating driving experience. Whether you're cruising along the highway or hitting the track, the Mustang RTR guarantees an unforgettable journey. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 Mustang RTR. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from Highway Legends. We'll be bringing you more insights into the world of cars, so stay tuned for our next adventure. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the pedal to the metal.